ओम यदविद्याविलासेन भूतभौतिकसृष्टयः तन्नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहं शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। वेदांत परिभाषा पेज नंबर 135। अकॉर्डिंग टू सिद्धांति, ब्रह्मणि वेदांतानां प्रामाण्यम। वेदांत वाक्य their pramanya is in Vedanta, in Brahma. Vedic vakyas, they are only karya bodhaka vakya. Who says this?
Prabhakara.
According to Prabhakara, Vedic vakyas are only karya bodhaka vakya. Now see the second paragraph on 135 in Tika. स्वाभिमत वेदांत प्रामाण्यम दर्शयितुम नैयायिक मीमांसकयोर मते दर्शयति. स्वाभिमत वेदांत प्रामाण्यम. According to us Vedantins, Advaitins, what is the Vedanta pramanya mata? Pramanyam. Pramanyam shabda means
Pramatva.
Pramatvam. Pramanyam means Pramatvam. Pramanyam darshayitum. So for that, first he gives Nayyayika mata and Mimamsaka mata. Then he will give Vedanta. So Nayyayika Mimamsaka yoho mate darshayati. Mate, matam mate. Dvivachana. Tatra in Moolam, वेदानां नित्य सर्वज्ञ परमेश्वर प्रणीतत्वेन प्रामाण्यम इति नैयायिकाः. Nayyayikas, they say Vedas are pramanika, Vedanam pramanyam, because they are Nitya Sarvagnya Parameshwara Pranita. Therefore they are pramana. So this we have already seen in Kiranavali also. Vedanam Nitya Sarvagnya Parameshwara Pranitatvena Pramanyam. Tika. Lokavedayor Madhya. Tatra means between Laukika and Vaidika Pramana, Veda, what is the relevance that is said here? Kartru doshat apramanya prasaktim ashankya uttam sarvagnya. Kartru dosha will result in apramanya because there will be Brahma pramada karana pata vipralipsa dosha. So they say it is Ishvara pranita, therefore it is pramanika, and that Ishvara is sarvagnya, therefore it is pramana. So, like any other Laukika Vyakti, doshas are not there. Kartru dosha abhava is there. Sarvajñatvam manvadinam api asti ata uktam. Manu adi, they also are sarvajña. That's why Manusmriti is also considered pramanam. So he says, no, this is Nitya Sarvajna. Nitya also, Nityasya Sarvajnasya. Iti Nitya Sarvajna. Karmadhare. Manu Adi are not Nitya. They come and go. They have Adi Anta. Prani Tattva. So actually Nitya should come first. But anyway. Prani Tattva Abhidhanena Swamatad Vailakshanyam Bodhitam. Ishwar Pranita. Pranita means Ishwar is Praneta. Praneta means the one who founded or started. So Pranitatva Abhidhanena, by saying that this is different from our mata. Swamatad Vailakshanyam Bodhitam. Why? Swamate Vedasya Utpatti Matve api Vedaha Kalpanantariyam Anupurvi Jatiya Anupurvika Ishwara Pranita iti Anangikarat. Swamate Vedantamate Vedasya Utpatti Matve api. According to Vedanta Mata, Veda has Utpatti. So, Veda is not Anadi. Like the Shad Anadi, Veda is not Anadi. Veda has beginning. Then Veda will remain throughout the Kalpa. Then when Bhuhu, Bhuva, Suvaha, all these worlds, they collapse, then Veda will have Laya. Then again Utpatti, Veda will come back. So in one Srishti, one time Veda Utpatti Nasha. Like Akasha. Akasha is once Utpatti, one Nasha. In the same way. Utpatti Matve api Vedaha Kalpantariyam. Kalpantariya, it is here. Kalpantariya Anupurvi Vijatiya Anupurvika Ishwara Pranita. Kalpantariya Anupurvi Sajatiya Anupurvika Ishwara Pranita, not Vijatiya. That's why he says Kalpantariya Anupurvi Vijatiya Anupurvika Ishwara Pranita iti Anangikara. We don't accept that. So in the previous Kalpa, whatever was Anupurvi, what is the Anupurvi of Rama?
R, A, M, A.
Visarga. Ra, A, Ma, A, Visarga. This is Anupurvi. Anupurvi means each akshara only in this order, this sequence. We saw this in Kiranavali. In the same way, entire Veda Anupurvi. Om, Ga, Ana, means Ga, Ana, A, Na, A, Gana, Nam, Tutta, Va, A, Tva, Ganapatim, Ga, Ana, A, Pa, A. It will be in this order only. Every cycle, every kalpa. This is called Anupurvi. Kalpantariya Anupurvi. In the previous kalpa, whatever was the sequence in which the Vedas were there. We saw the example Agnimede in Kiranavali. Kalpantariya Anupurvi Sajatiya Anupurvika is what we accept, not Vijatiya. So even if there is Utpatti, it is the same sequence as before. Then before earlier Kalpa, what was the sequence? Is the same sequence as before. That time, what was the sequence? Is the same sequence as before. Ishwara Pranita. Vijatiya Anupurvika Ishwara Pranita Anangikara. Nityatvena in Moolam. Vedanam Nityatvena. निरस्त समस्त पुंदूषणतया प्रामाण्यम इति अध्वरमीमांसकाः. Prabhakar and Bhatta, both of them, Vedanam Nityatvena, they say Vedas are Nitya. And therefore, Nirasta Samasta Pum Dushana, whatever Dushanas are there for a Purusha, they are free from all. Nirasta Samasta Pum Dushanataya Pramanyam. Therefore, they are Pramana. See, Nayayikas, they say Vedas are Pramana. Vedanti will say they are Pramana. Mimamsakas will say they are Pramana. But the reason why they are Pramanam is different for each. So according to them, Vedas are Nitya, therefore they are Pramana. Not because they are Ishvara, Sarvagnya Ishvara Pranita. Pramanyam iti Adhvara Mimamsakaha. Vedanam Anityatva Abhyupagame Pum Pranitatva Avashyam Bhavat Tasya Ishwaratve api Bhakta Pakshapatadi Sambhavat. This Mimamsaka, they say even if he is Ishvara, he will do Bhakta Pakshapata. Like in Bhakti Grantha, this is how it is said many times, right? That Bhagavan will listen to these Bhaktas and Abhaktas, we don't know whether he will listen to it or not. Name Bhakta Pranashyati, he says. So Abhakta Pranashyati Nava. So Mimamsaka is what they are saying. Bhagavan can be Bhakta Pakshapati. Therefore, let us keep him away from Ishvara also. Vedanam Anityatva Abhyupagame. If you accept Veda as Anitya and then you say Ishvara Pranita, etc., then Pum Pranitatva Avashyam Bhavat. And then it will be Purusha Pranita. Sam Purusha Ishvara. Ishwaratve api Bhakta Pakshapatadi Sambhavat. So even if that Purusha is Purusha Vishesha, Ishvara, still Bhakta Pakshapata can happen. Bauddha Pranita Agamavat Vede api Dosha Prasangat. So then Bauddhas, you know what they will say. Who is your Ishvara? We say Vishnu, let us say. Bhagavan Mahavishnu. He gave Vedas. Bauddhas will say, our Bhagavan is Buddha. He gave Vedas. He gave our Agama. So your Veda is Pramanam because your Ishvara gave. Our Shastra is Pramanam because our Ishvara gave. Both are equal Pramana. The Mimamsakas don't like such thing. So they say keep it away from everybody. They are Nitya only. All of them, they have their reasoning to justify why they think like this. Nayayikas, they said Ishvara Pranita because these other people, they said, we don't believe in Ishvara. So first they established Ishvara. Then they said, Vedas are Ishvara Pranita. Bauddha Pranita Agamavat Vede api Dosha Prasanga. Tasya Nityatvena Nirasa Samasta Pum Dushanataya Pramanyam Ityarthaha. And therefore, Veda, if they are Nitya, they will be free from all the Purusha Dushana. Nirasa Samasta Pum Dushanataya. Now you have to remember, Bhagavan is really not Bhakta Pakshapati. Because what Paramatma will do is, if you do right karma, you will get the phala. Bhagavan will not do Pakshapata there. Then what is the use of bhakti? So what is the nature of Ishvara that Kenopanishad Vakya Bhashya has elaborated? Then what is the role of bhakti, then why should I do bhakti? Bhakti will give you vairagya from samsara. That is the prayojanam of Ishwar bhakti. If someone says, I am doing lot of Ishwar bhakti, but I don't have vairagya from samsara, then what happens? Your Ishwar bhakti is not right. You think you are having bhakti for Ishwara. It is something else only. Ishwar bhakti means samsara virakti. Somatam aha, now Vedanta matam. Asmakam tu mate vedo na nitya utpatti matvat. According to Vedanta, Veda is not nitya. Why? Utpatti matvat. What is the utpatti matvam? Utpatti matvam cha asya mahato bhutasya nishvasitam. एतद्यद ऋग्वेदो यजुर्वेद सामवेदो अथर्वणवेद बृहदारण्यक 2:4-10 इत्यादि श्रुते है. Same quotation is given in Kirnavali also to explain Veda Pramanya. Because how it is Ishvara Pranita? For this reason. According to Vedanta, Ishvara Kartrikatvam is not there. Why? Now we will see this. तू शब्द उक्त पक्षाभ्याम वैलक्षण्य द्योतनार्थ. तू शब्द अस्माकम टू is to show difference from the ukta paksha. Ukta paksha means
न्याय मीमांसा.
nyaya mimamsaka. Different from them. Vailakshanya dyotanartha. Tattvam cha anityatve api pralaya kala paryanta avasthayitve sati dosha vinirmuktatvam. Tattvam cha. What is tattvam?
प्रामाण्यत्वं.
Pramanyam. Not pramanyatvam. Pramanyam. Anityatve api pralaya kala paryanta avasthayitve sati dosha vinirmuktatvam. Veda Pramanyam, according to us, is anityatva. Even though Vedas are anitya, pralaya kala paryanta avasthai. Until pralaya, same Veda will continue. Avasthayitve sati dosha vinirmuktatvam. And they will be free from Purusha dosha. They are free from Purusha dosha. Tacha Shruti Siddham ato na Swarupa Siddho hetuhu. And it is Shruti Siddham. Therefore, na Swarupa Siddhi. Swarupa Siddhi means, what is Swarupa Siddhi?
पक्षे हेतु अभाव.
Paksha Hetu Abhava. So this Hetu here, Anityatve api pralaya kala paryanta avasthayitve sati dosha vinirmuktatvam. This Hetu is there because it is Shruti Siddha. Nityaha Utpattimatvam. Utpattimatvam is given in Brihadaranyaka. Richaha samani jagmire tasmat ityadi shruti hi adi padartha. Purusha Suktam adi also they talk about this. In Mundakopanishad also there is a shruti, right? Tasmad Richasam Yajunshi Diksha. So Tasmad, from Etasmad Jayate Pranaha Manas Sarvendriyani cha, from that only Tasmad Richasam Yajunshi Diksha, etc. वेदो न नित्य इति उक्तेः नैयायिक अभिमत त्रिक्षण अवस्थायित्वं वेदानां किं तवापि अनुमतम इति अपेक्षायाम. If you say Veda is not Nitya, Naiyayikas also say Veda is not Nitya. So, do you remember why, how Naiyayikas they said Veda is Anitya from Kiranavali? Anybody remembers?
Because it is the creation of Ishvara.
Because it is
The creation of Ishvara.
okay. Explain a little, then it is clear. Because Varna is Anitya, therefore Pada is Anitya, therefore Vakya is Anitya, therefore Veda Vakyas are Anitya. This is how it was explained. So, why Varna is Anitya? Because Varna is Trikshana Sthai. Utpatti, Sthiti, Laya. In third Kshana, gone. So, somebody is asking Vedanti, you also say Veda is Anitya. Nayayika also says Veda is Anitya. So then, Nayayika Abhimata Trikshana Avasthayitvam Vedanam Kim Tava Api Anumatam. You also agree with that? That Veda Anitya, that means it is only for Trikshana. Iti apekshayam yatha mimamsaka abhimatam tesham nityatvam yatha asmad ananumatam tatha abhimatam tathatvam api ityaha. Napi. So what he says is yatha mimamsaka abhimatam tesham nityatvam tesham vedanam yatha mimamsaka abhimatam nityatvam yatha asmad ananumatam, and according to us ananumatam. We don't agree with that kind of nityatvam. Tatha tad abhimatam tathatvam api. But tatha tad abhimatam tathatvam api asmad ananumatam. In this way you have to complete the sentence. You write down there. Tatha tad abhimatam tathatvam api asmad ananumatam. So how we Mimamsakas, they say Veda is Nitya. We don't agree with them. Like that, how Nayayikas, they say Veda is Anitya. We don't agree with that part, where they say Veda is Anitya because it is Trikshana Avasthai. That also we don't agree. See in the Moolam, Napi Vedanam Trikshana Avasthayitvam. Vedas are not Trikshana Avasthai, like how Nayayikas understand. Why? य एव वेदो देवदत्तेन अधीतः स एव वेदो मया अधीतः इत्यादि प्रत्यभिज्ञा विरोधात्. Whatever Devadatta studied, same Veda I am studying. and it is not same as in like one fruit I ate today and then tomorrow I say it is the same fruit, because it is not same, it is sajatiya. But in Veda it is not sajatiya, it is same. So that pratyavijna virodha will come. Atayeva gakaradi varnanam api na kshanikatvam. There he said gakara is kshanika. And therefore soyam gakara is only a bhranti. Like what?
Deep.
Yatha Deepakalika. Deepakalika is different every moment. This is given in Kiranavali, all these examples. So Soyam Gakara, Kiranawalikar there said, it means Nayayika they say, Utpanno Gakara, Nashta Gakara. Like that, Utpatti Nasha is also there. So Soyam is only a Bhranti. Here Vedanti says, because Veda is Nitya, Pratyavijna, otherwise Pratyavijna Virodha will come. Therefore, Gakaradi Varna is also Nitya. Gakaradi Varnanam api na kshanikatvam. Soyam Gakara iti Pratyavijna Virodhat. टीका वर्ण समुदाय गर्भस्य वेदस्य स्वरूपतः क्षणिकत्वम् अपाकृत्य वर्ण द्वारा अपि तन्निराकरोति. वर्ण समुदाय रूप गर्भ, वर्ण समुदाय गर्भस्य, वर्ण समुदायो गर्भे यस्य सः वेदः वर्ण समुदाय गर्भः. गर्भस्य वेदस्य स्वरूपतः क्षणिकत्वम् अपाकृत्य, स्वरूपतः क्षणिकत्वम् अपाकृत्य, having eliminated, वर्ण द्वारा अपि तन्निराकरोति. स्वरूपतः Veda is Nitya. Nitya means in the entire Kalpa it is once. Varna dwara also. Varna is also Nitya, therefore Veda is Nitya. अतएव गकार यतः प्रत्यभिज्ञा विरोधात् वेदानाम् अक्षणिकत्वम् अतएव सोयम इत्यादि प्रत्यभिज्ञा विरोधात् वर्णानाम् न क्षणिकत्वम् इत्यर्थः. If you say Gakara, that Soyam Gakara, that Pratyabhijna is there. Therefore, Varna is also Nitya. Veda is Nitya, Pratyabhijna Virodhat. Varna is also Nitya, Pratyabhijna Virodhat. So, Pratyabhijna Virodhat, Vedanam Akshanikatva. Atayeva Soyam. Soyam means Soyam Gakara. Ityadi Pratyabhijna Virodhat. Varnanam Nakshanikatvam. ननु एवं तर्हि कथम वेदानाम उत्पत्तिमत्वं ततश्च अनित्यत्वम इति आशंक्या. Then in that case, एवं तर्हि कथम वेदानाम उत्पत्तिमत्वम, how do Vedas have उत्पत्ति, ततश्च अनित्यत्वम, and then because उत्पत्ति then अनित्य इति आशंक्याः. तथा च वर्ण पद वाक्य समुदायस्य वेदस्य वेदादिवत् सृष्टिकालीन उत्पत्तिमत्वं प्रलयकालीन ध्वंस प्रतियोगित्वं च. See, varna pada vakya samudaya, the same things what Kiranawalikar they did Khandanam saying Varna is anitya, therefore pada is anitya, therefore vakya is anitya, therefore vakya samudaya Veda is also anitya. So Varna pada vakya samudaya is Veda. But that Veda, Vyadadivat, like Akashadi, Srishtikalina Utpattimatvam, Pralaya Kalina Dvamsa Pratyogitam, at the time of Pralaya, Dvamsa Pratyogitam. Natu Madhye Varnanam Utpatti Vinashav. In between, there is no Varna Utpatti Vinasha. If you say, but if there is Utpatti, then it goes, I utter a word, Ga, Ana, Pa, Ti, then somebody else will utter. So they are different Gakara. You say Ananta Gakara Kalpane Gauravat is a Gaurava dosha. Only one Gakara. अनुच्चारण दशायाम वर्णानाम अनभिव्यक्ति तद उच्चारण रूप व्यंजक अभावात् न विरुध्यते. So when uchcharanam is not done, then it is anabhivyakta. In uchcharana time, abhivyanjaka, abhivyakta. So there is no virodha. Tika. वेदानाम स्वरूपतो वर्ण द्वारा च क्षणिकत्व अभावे सति. तथा सति मीन्स वेदानाम स्वरूपतः एंड वर्ण द्वारा च क्षणिकत्व अभावे सति. ननु एवं तरहि सर्वदा वर्णानाम अभिव्यक्ति कुतो न इति आशंक्या. Then all the time why varnas don't go on manifesting? See, if somebody is not pronouncing, then how the uchcharana will be, the varna abhivyakti will be there. Somebody has to recite. Imagine if nobody gives the answer and I hear the answer, correct answer. How wonderful it is. Right? Varnanam abhivyakti will happen on its own. They said no, anucharana. If ucharana is not there, then abhivyakti won't be there. Varnanam anabhivyakti. Nanu utpanno gakaro nashto gakara iti pratyayat madhye, it is the pratyayat madhye utpatyadikam tatham na asthiyate. If utpatti is there, nasha is there, in between also some utpatti will be there. Why don't you accept that? Katham na asthiyate iti ashankya pariharati utpanna iti. Utpanno gakara ityadi means this session, today's class is like you don't have to use much of buddhi. It is so saral. Right? There is nothing. All I am doing is just reading. Utpanno gakara ityadi pratyaya soyang gakara iti pratyabhignya virodhat apramanam. Utpanna gakara is apramana vakya. Why? Soyam gakara iti pratyabhignya virodhat. Naiyayikas and Vedantis, they think exactly opposite. Vedanti says Soyam Gakara is Pratyabhignya Virodhat, there is no Utpatti. Naiyayik will say Soyam Gakara is Bhranti. Utpanna Gakara, Nashta Gakara is Pramana. All these Vakyas where Vedanti has some Purvapaksha, so you understand that Purvapaksha in majority of these discussions is Naiyayika. Because this Acharya was also earlier a Naiyayika. So he knows how Naiyayikas think. Is Dharmaraja and Dvarendra. So he knows how they think. And in Tikakar also all those things are mentioned. And they are given in their books also. Same reasons they have explained there. इति आशंक्य परिहरति उत्पन्न गकार इत्यादि. वर्ण वर्ण अभिव्यक्ति जनक ध्वनिगत उत्पत्ति निरूपित परंपरा संबंध विषयत्वेन प्रमाणम वा. How pramanam is there? Varna abhivyakti janaka dhvani. Dhvani, some sound will come. Varna abhivyakti happens because of the abhigata, kantha talu abhigata, etc. Varna abhivyakti janaka dhvanigata utpatti nirupita parampara sambandha vishayatvena. Utpatti nirupita parampara sambandha vishayatvena pramanam vedana. So, utpanno gakaraha. In that, either you say that vakya is apramanam, or you take it as pramanam because the utpatti nirupita parampara sambandha for the varna abhivyakti. Varna abhivyakti janaka utpatti parampara is same every time. Then utpanno gakara will be pramanam. But what it means is not actual utpatti, it is varna abhivyakti. श्यामो घटः नष्टः रक्तो घटः उत्पन्नः इति वत् इति प्रतीतिवत् उत्पत्ति विनाशवत् ध्वनि संबंधात् उक्त प्रत्ययः परंपरा संबंध विषयत्वात् प्रमाणं वा इत्यर्थः. श्यामो घटः नष्टः. One घट is there. Earlier it is श्यामः, dark. Then you bake it, cook it, it will become red. So this is Shamo Ghata and Nashta. According to Nayayika, this is how they say. One Ghata is Nashta, another Ghata is Utpanna. We will say same Ghata is there, some Rupantara has happened and it looks different. There is no difference in the Ghata. They'll say no, it's new Ghata. You remember they had two matams that we discussed?
Ghatabhash.
No. How the Ghata, etc., according to Nyaya and according to Vaisheshika, there is a Bheda. I don't think you will remember, anybody remembers. But we discussed this in Kirnauli. Pilupaka and Pitharapaka. Does anybody remember this?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes, Swamiji. How many of you remember that we discussed? Don't just raise hands because I have asked. Let me see. Okay. So this was discussed there. So according to some, up to Parmanu, it will go. Some say even Parmanus will get transformed. See, Parmanus are Nitya. So, in Parmanu transformation, some will accept, some will not accept. Iti pratitivat. उत्पत्ति विनाशवत ध्वनि संबंधात उक्त प्रत्यय है। उत्पत्ति विनाश वाला, उत्पत्ति विनाशवत ध्वनि संबंधात उक्त प्रत्यय परंपरा संबंध विषयत्वात्। दिस परंपरा संबंध विषयत्वात् प्रमाणम गक उत्पन्नो गकारे एक्सेट्रा उपसंहरति तस्मात् न वेदानां क्षणिकत्वम्। Therefore Vedas are not क्षणिक like Naya. अथ अपसिद्धांतम मीमांसकः शंकते। मीमांसक से there is some अपसिद्धांत here. अपसिद्धांत means in your thinking you are contradicting yourself. ननु क्षणिकत्व अभावे अपि वियदादि प्रपंचवत् उत्पत्तिमत्वेन परमेश्वर कर्तृकतया पौरुषेयत्वाद् अपौरुषेयत्वं च वेदानाम् इति तव सिद्धांतो भज्येत इति चेत् ननु क्षणिकत्व अभावे अपि। If क्षणिकत्व is not there, वियदादि प्रपंचवत् उत्पत्तिमत्वेन, Vedas don't have क्षणिकत्वम, they are उत्पत्ति like आकाशादि, beginning of प्रपंच, उत्पत्ति of the सृष्टि। वेदादि प्रपंचवद उत्पत्तिमत्वेन परमेश्वर कर्तृकतया पौरुषेयत्वात्। If you say it is पौरुषेय परमेश्वर कर्तृक, अपौरुषेयत्वं च वेदानाम् इति तव सिद्धांतो भज्येत। You say Vedas are अपौरुषेय, but here सृष्टि आदि they are ईश्वर कर्तृक। Veda like Akasha is Srishti of Ishvara, and Veda also will be Srishti of Ishvara. So if Jagat is Ishvara Kartrika, then Veda also will become Ishvara Kartrika. So then Ishvara Kartrikatvad Paurushaya, it will not remain a Paurushaya. See, when they say Paurushaya means Ishvara, they put it as Purusha only. So then your Siddhanta Khandanam will happen, iti chetna. So now what is the discussion? What is Paurushaya and what is Apaurushaya? Let's just do the Moolam for getting the idea at once. Nahi tavat purushena uchcharyamaणत्वं पौरुषेयत्वं. Purushena uchcharyamaणत्वं is not पौरुषेयत्वं. Why? गुरुमते अपि अध्यापक परंपरया पौरुषेयत्व आपत्तेः. Gurumata means
भाट
Prabhakar. Gurumata means Prabhakar. Bhattamata is Acharya Mata. Gurumate api adhyapaka paramparaya paurushayatva apattehe. According to Prabhakaras also, adhyapaka paramparaya paurushayatva. Adhyapaka paramparaya means if Acharya is there, Vedadhyana Acharya, he will recite. Then Adhyapaka recitation, after that Chhatra will recite. So then that will become Paurushaya. Adhyapaka paramparaya Paurushayatva apatti. Why? Because Purushena Uchcharyamaणत्वात्. So that is not the Lakshanam of Paurushayatva. Napi Purushadhino Utpattikatvam Paurushayatvam. Somebody may say Purusha Adhina Utpatti is Paurushaya. So we say no, we don't take Purusha Adhina Utpattikatvam as Paurushayatva. नैयायिक अभिमत पौरुषेयत्व अनुमाने अस्मदादिना सिद्ध साधनत्व आपत्ते है. बट नैयायिक जैसे पुरुष अधीन पौरुषेयत्वम इति सिद्ध साधनम फॉर अस. नैयायिक अभिमत पौरुषेयत्व अनुमाने अस्मदादिना सिद्ध साधनत्व. So we accept that, we don't argue with that. Then somebody will ask, okay, then according to you, what is पौरुषेयत्व? जे सजाति किंतु सजातीय उच्चारण अनपेक्ष उच्चारण विषयत्वम. सजातीय उच्चारण अनपेक्ष उच्चारण विषय. सजातीय उच्चारण अपेक्षा, if it is not there. So imagine now, let us say I chant some shloka whose ucharana has not happened earlier. What does that mean? That means these shlokas are my buddhi pranita, because their ucharana was not done before. That is called paurusheya. Sajatiya ucharana, similar ucharana, if it was done earlier, Sajatiya ucharana anapeksha ucharana vishayatva. If it was already done earlier, then my thing is not paurusheya, because then somebody else was already there before. Then you have to ask, if that person, did he hear from someone or was it original? If it was his original, not paurusheya. Then if it is original, paurusheya. If he had heard it from someone, then he is not the praneta. Then you ask the previous person, did you hear from someone? So sajatiya ucharana, if it was there before, then you cannot say it is paurusheya. But sajatiya ucharana was not there before, then it is definitely paurusheya. Like Mahabharata. Mahabharata, Bhagavan Vedvyasi did not hear from someone and he wrote down. So it's sajatiya ucharana anapeksha ucharana vishayatvam vade. Therefore that is paurusheya. Whereas in Veda, this is not true. Sajatiya ucharana anapeksha ucharana vishayam. Because when Ishvara is giving the Vedas in the beginning of Srishti, Sajatiya Ucharana was there in the previous Kalpa. Then Vedas are not Paurusheya. In the previous Kalpa, in the beginning, Ishwar gave the Veda to Maji. At that time, in the Purva Kalpa, Sajatiya there. So Sajatiya Ucharana, Sapeksha Ucharana Vishayatvam, then it will become a Paurusheya. Sajatiya Vicharana, Ucharana, Anapeksha Ucharana Vishayatvam is a Paurusheya. Is Paurusheya. Sajatiya Ucharana, Anapeksha Ucharana Vishayatvam is Paurusheya. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi.